Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into beauty products with honest expert insights. If you're looking for a way to amp up your everyday eye makeup while keeping things simple and natural, Maybelline's Great Lash Clear Mascara might just be what you need. Whether it's to define your lashes or groom your eyebrows, this mascara promises a clear, conditioning formula for a polished look without the drama. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more beauty tips and reviews. Now, let's take a closer look at the Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara. This product brings us the classic Great Lash brush, a staple in the mascara world, paired with a clear gel formula designed to condition lashes and eyebrows. It's all about creating that natural but better look. Whether you're looking to separate and define your lashes or tame and groom your brows. The formula is suitable for contact lens wearers, which adds to its versatility. But how does it hold up in real-world testing? When I first started using this, I incorporated it into my regular beauty routine, and I was pleasantly surprised by how easy it was to apply. The brush is the same familiar shape as the iconic Great Lash Mascara, so it glides smoothly over lashes without clumping. For a clear gel formula, it did a great job of defining and separating my lashes, offering just the right amount of hold without feeling stiff or crunchy. On the brows, it gave a subtle but clean look, nothing too bold, but enough to keep them in place throughout the day. One of the highlights of this product is its versatility. It's not just for lashes, but also works great on brows. If you're someone who doesn't like the fuss of heavy brow gels or mascaras, this is a fantastic alternative. It's perfect for those who want a quick, easy way to define their lashes or groom their brows without the fuss. That said, it's not the most dramatic mascara out there. If you're looking for volume or length, this isn't your go-to product. It's more about keeping things natural and tidy, which is perfect for everyday wear or for a no-makeup look. The clear formula is great for those who want a lightweight product that won't weigh down lashes or look too obvious, but it might not be enough for those who prefer a bolder lash look. Now, let's talk about value for money. At a very affordable price point, this mascara offers good value for those who are looking for a simple, effective way to enhance their lashes and brows. It's not loaded with fancy ingredients or added benefits, but it does what it promises, and that's what matters. If you're someone who's just looking for a product that will keep your lashes separated and your brows in place, it's worth considering. In comparison to other clear mascaras on the market, Maybelline's Great Lash Clear Mascara stands out due to its reliable, classic formula and its brand recognition. There are similar products at varying price points, but none quite match the Maybelline formula for the price, especially when it comes to achieving a natural, fresh look. As for the build quality, the packaging is standard for Maybelline, sleek and practical. The tube is easy to handle, and the brush is effective for getting into those hard-to-reach lashes or brow hairs. It's also easy to remove at the end of the day, which is a huge plus. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Customer support wasn't something I had to interact with directly for this product, but Maybelline's reputation for handling customer inquiries is solid, which gives me confidence that any issues would be addressed effectively. So, would I recommend the Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara? If you're looking for a no-fuss, everyday product that helps you define your lashes and brows while keeping things natural, this is a great option. It's affordable, reliable, and gets the job done without any bells and whistles. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.